Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Deco M5 Setup. 1. Unbox the Deco M5, take out the Deco units, power adapters, and Ethernet cable, ensuring all components are present. 2. Download the Deco app, install the TP-Link Deco app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. 3. Power on the first Deco unit, connect the first Deco unit to a power outlet and wait for the LED light to pulse blue, indicating it's ready for setup. 4. Connect to your modem, use the included Ethernet cable to connect the first Deco unit to your modem. Ensure the modem is powered on. 5. Open the Deco app, launch the app, create or log into your TP-Link account, and follow the on-screen instructions to start the setup process on. Six. Find your Deco, the app will detect the Deco unit. If it doesn't, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone and the Deco is powered on. 7. Set up your Wi-Fi network, choose a network name, SSID, and password for your new Wi-Fi network when prompted by the app. 8. Place additional Deco units, position the second and third Deco units, if included, in different areas of your home for optimal coverage. Power them on, and the app will guide you to connect them to the main Deco. 9. Test the connection. Once all units are set up, the app will run a connection test to ensure your network is working properly. 10. Connect devices to the new network. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and verify a strong, reliable connection throughout your home. Thank you for watching.